In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section where respondents can input their details into Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes, making it quite convenient whether you're setting up a survey, a feedback form, or even a questionnaire for gathering personal details. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you've accessed the Microsoft Forms page, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to create a new form. To do this, select the plus Add New option to start building your form from scratch. With a new form ready, it's important to organize your form into sections for clarity and ease of use. Click on the More Question Types drop-down button, which might be represented by a chevron or an arrow, and from this menu, select Section. This will allow you to add a dedicated section within your form. It's helpful at this point to provide a descriptive title for your section. Something like Personal Information or Contact Details should do nicely. This title gives your respondents a clear idea of what information they're expected to provide in this portion of the form. Once you've set your section title, consider adding a subtitle as well to provide additional context or instructions for your respondents. Subtitles can guide the participants on how to fill out the form appropriately or underline the importance of the information being requested. With your section now set up, it's time to add some questions. Click plus Add New again, and this time choose the text question type. This choice allows respondents to type their answers in the provided text box. Start by entering your question, such as full name. If you need to collect more details, repeat this process for other questions like email address or phone number. To get the right kind of information and ensure valuable responses, you can make some adjustments. If you require a larger text box for more elaborate responses, like a street address, select the long answer option found beneath the text input field. Additionally, to ensure that respondents don't skip crucial questions, turn on the Required toggle located at the bottom right corner of the question. For entries such as email addresses or phone numbers, you can implement input restrictions to maintain data accuracy. Click the ellipsis, the three dots in the corner of the question, and select Restrictions. From here, you can choose restrictions like email or number, or even create a custom regular expression tailored to your needs. Before sharing your form, you'll want to preview it to ensure everything is working as intended. Click the Preview button at the top of the form. This will allow you to navigate between sections using the Next button, giving you an overview of the form from the respondent's perspective. Once satisfied with how it looks and functions, your form will be ready to be shared with the audience or group intended.